while the ignorant fight to win. In the entertainment genre, it has always been our objective to bring to our viewers programming that is credible, compelling, relevant, and most importantly, entertaining. Early this year, Geographic has always prided itself on its choice of spokespersons. They are credible, authentic, and entertaining. Each episode of the series, and be its chief spokesperson. Thus was born Seven Deadly Arts, his beliefs, and how the knowledge of martial arts has helped him in his daily life. You will see him interact with other masters from India.
Yes, sure. What do you think of martial arts in Bollywood? I mean, do you think it's diluted from the approval of the way it's expressed?
Oh, well, my job is to make it more and more aware of it, people aware of it. That's what the ways and techniques. But the olden martial art, like the farmers used to fight back, they had to do something. And so they just kind of a baby.
He was there at 10 to 6. If he said 5 o'clock for a shoot, he was there at 4:45. He's never been late, and I think it's just amazing. Most of this actually has been shot in the alley, and some of it has been shot in the back.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
After 7 episodes, do you intend to carry on this particular show to a higher level or whatever?
I have no idea, not yet. Because there are my students only.
Yeah, actually, only the positive side has been shown or the negative side effects also been shown?
There are no negative ones in mind.
I mean to say while learning you have some kind of a side effect.
No.
Such kind of programs.
Sure, as I said, if I get a good chance and a credible partner like National Geographic, sure.
Down.
Kolaba should be good. I remember where I used to learn, there was a guy who just started at the age of second year.
That's how many questions, and I think we can proceed for dinner. The photographers, we've got some special light for you.
Akshay. Center. Here. Center. Pose. Pose. क्या? Pose. Yes sir जी यहाँ पे. Yes sir जी. Center. सर इकडे. अक्षय center. शशि बाल. सर जी यहाँ पे. Excuse me sir. Sir.
Sir, little bit here.
Center. Center.
Sir, little bit center. Sir, little bit here. Sir, down. Thank you.
अक्षय जी. ये अक्षय जी यहाँ पे. अक्षय जी.
कौन सा बोला थैंक यू?
यहाँ भी.
सर,
चलो सर.